So now that we've waited about 15 minutes or more for the oils to penetrate deep into this slab, now I'm gonna buff off. And my first part of the buff off, I prefer using cotton terry towels. These are small little washcloth type of towels, but I usually like to work with a bigger one, but I think this is what we had on hand today. And I'll use a few of them to initially buff it off and make sure I got it all off the surface. And then I'll come back after I know think I got it all off and hit it with a microfiber towel to just ensure it. Best way to start buffing off is move in the direction of the grain. It makes it a lot easier in the beginning because this ensures you're getting all that oil out of those and the grain, the little micro pores in the wood. And flip your towel often. Look how dirty that got, right? So I'm gonna do a little bit more on this side still. And this is the process I always wanna see you do by hand at first. If you use a polisher to buff it off, your polishing pad's gonna get full of oil immediately, especially if you use too much oil. And then your pad's just gonna be spreading oil all over the surface and you're not doing yourself any good. So all that extra effort using the machine and working it in, and those little polishing pads that go on buffers are not cheap. It's just gonna get full of oil and you're not buffing off. All you're doing is smearing stuff around. It's like the equivalent of wiping your table off with a wet rag. Well, you're just smearing water all over the place. So make sure your rags are constantly flipped and actually getting oil off the surface. Common mistake when using Odies. Everybody wants to jump on power tools right away and they don't even understand how to use the finish yet. So I used one rag from my initial buff off on this. And I actually put too much oil on this, more than I'd like to see you guys use on Brazilian cherry. And this one rag just did my initial buff off. Now I'm going to show you a little trick on how to ensure that you got everything off the surface. This is a no-no for your first buff off, but it's great for your last. Cotton for your first one, microfiber, clean, nice microfiber towel. We sell these on our website, they're cheap, for your buff off. So this actually gets that last bit of oil that's in the pores off. It just works amazing. It's something I learned when I'm detailing the cars with the Odie's products. We use microfiber when we do our waxes, and this really works really nice to ensure we got all the wax off the car. So always my final buff off is with a microfiber towel. And you can use a microfiber pad on your buffer. Now see, I'm doing this and I can feel the friction of the excess oil that was still on the slab that I thought I had off. This ensures that you got all the excess oil off the surface. And there was more here than I thought. And you'll know when you're using this microfiber when you've got it all buffed off, because you'll feel that friction, that drag goes away, and your towel now just slides across the surface with ease. And there she is, a beautiful Brazilian cherry slab, properly finished with a super pen. Now, I am going to put a second coat on this because I want to put a top coat of Odie's oil on it for that extra sheen, durability, and tactile feeling it offers. So that's the first coat, a super pen. I'm going to let this sit overnight, and tomorrow, or Monday actually, because it's Friday, we're going to go ahead and put a coat of Odie's oil on it. So stay tuned for that video. Thanks for joining.